Hey guys, it's me, Kylie. Welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry it has been so long since I've been on here. I did do that live a few days ago from my hotel room when I was traveling for work, but I have just missed you guys so much. It just feels like there's been so much going on. So I want to give you a little update on everything, go through this Influenster box that I got. It's from Jane Iredale, I'm not sure how you pronounce it. I haven't tried any of her makeup or anything like that before, so I'm excited to open that with you guys and then share what's inside. So let's get started. I don't even know how long it's been now, but we went to, as a family, to Miami. My husband's from Miami, so we went down there to visit family and have a little vacation. We stayed for over a week and just had an awesome time. It was beautiful. So that took up a lot of time, and we did it kind of last minute. So I didn't have time to record any videos to have, ready to go for you guys for while I was gone. So we had that. While we were gone, they started painting our house. The inside of our house, we had like our family room painted and the bathrooms and stuff. 2 years ago, I had the rest of the house painted. So that was getting done, and when we came back, luckily enough, our family was able to pick everything up and it was clean when we got home, so that was amazing. But we had that going on. We had, as soon as we came back, of course, I got sick, so I couldn't record while I was sick, and it just feels like it's been snowballing from there, so I'm going to try to get back into it now. I also have been traveling a lot for work, and with my travel schedule and when I'm home, it's been kind of hard to figure out when I have time, to take away from the kids and away from the husband to actually get my videos done. So I'm going to try to get actually a few done today. My kids are at my mom's. My husband's actually taking a nap right now, so hopefully I can get through a couple. So if you see me in the same shirt or the same hair, I might try to switch shirts just so it doesn't look so obvious, but yeah. So yeah, let's jump into this. I got an email from Influenster that I was chosen for this Jane Iredale Voxbox through them. If you're not aware, Influenster is they have a website and they also have an app, and they will send you things for free to try. All you have to do is sign up and upload like your different social media accounts. So like I have my Instagram on my Facebook, my YouTube, and you take these little quizzes, not even quizzes, really, they're like little trying to get to know a little bit more about you to decide what ones you will receive. So this is completely complimentary. I got this free, but I want to share it with you guys, and then I'll let you know later on in a few weeks how I like the products, because I am excited to try them. So let's open it up. I have not, I took it out of the box that it came in. Oh, it goes just like this. So it's really pretty packaging in here. It's got her signature stamp and like a little piece of lavender, I think it is, and some really pretty tissue paper. So hopefully you guys can actually see it right here. Let me turn this a little bit. And inside there is a card, and I'm assuming this is about what the products are that I'm getting, so I'll get to that in a minute. The first thing I see in here is a Palm Mist hydrating spray. So I'll read a little bit about what this is. Let's see. Spritz to hydrate skin and set mineral powder. So it's a face mist. So I'm excited to try that. There it is. So I'll let you guys know how that is. Also inside, oh, there is a nice little travel brush. This looks super cute. Ooh, it's so soft, you guys. Holy cow, it is so soft. I'm excited to use this. I'm hoping that there is some other goodies in there to go with that. Oh my gosh, there's a ton of stuff. Let me show you. Can you see all that? So here is a refillable compact. We'll open this up. And I believe the powder is separate, so get it out. Oh, the compact is super cute. It's like mirrored. It's got a plastic sticker on it. Let me try to get this off. So really cute compact. You push it and open it up, and then there is also a mirror inside, and it says do what you love. down there. So let's now open I see the powder in here. The powder is a pressed mineral powder, and it's a really pretty shade. It might be a little light for my skin tone right now, but if it doesn't work now, then it will. Oh, and it's magnetic, so it magnetized itself right in there, and it did also come with a little sponge that also has her initial on that. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but yeah. So that's super awesome. Can't wait to try that out. We've got Beauty Prep Face Moisturizing Hydrant Facial. So this is your face moisturizer, and her packaging is cute. So there's that. And it also has a little where you can go and see the video of how to apply. So that's kind of cool. And there are 2 more items in here, a toner and a cleanser. So I'm excited to try these. Let me show you what the packaging looks like. These are obviously like travel size. Had I thought about it, I would have opened this up before I left and taken this on my work trips with me. And I actually am going on another one in a couple weeks, so I might save these for that and just use it all at once for a couple days in a row. So yeah, that's awesome. I'm super excited to try this. This face mist looks really nice. I don't know a lot about Jane Iredale, so if you do, if you're a fan or if you've tried her products, let me know in the comments down below if you like them. And I want to say a huge shout out, I'm going to try to open this in a second, to Influenster for sending me these products. I am super excited to try them. I absolutely love this little compact. So, and the brush is so soft. So this is called the Handy Brush. So super excited to try everything. And I will let you guys know what I think. So hopefully you all are having a wonderful day, and I will see you at the next video. This is Kylie. Bye.